With Craig, I wanted to try it out myself. All right, guys, let's see what this thing can do. All right, guys, so how this adjusts on here, it's pretty cool how this works. We've got a couple of adjustments. How this works is this is gonna go over the top of the gutter and latch this in with this metal bracket right here. But you have to set this up first. So we've got an adjustment here that rides on the front of the gutter. And then we have an adjustment here, which is a dial that gives us our depth depending on your ladder thickness. And so that gives us our adjustment here. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna lock this in here. And then this is gonna go over the top here. And I'm gonna get this nice and tight. It's gonna lock in. And then I can tighten this knob down here to bring this in tight. So that way this doesn't move. And now that's locked in. This thing's not gonna slide off. And you've got a much safer situation on the ladder. And then when you're done, you take it off and you take it with you. Now, one will work, two is always better because it'll keep both sides tight.